In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best sublimation printers in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Magikart is also bringing a premium range card printer that is suitable for professional applications. This printer is also a reliable choice for long-term printing applications. The Magikart 300 is also a premium range ID card printer that we have selected for our list of the best sublimation printers. Just like our last couple of options, this is more of an ID printing kit since its package consists of many additional accessories. With the Magikart 300 printer, you will receive the popular Bono software, 300 PVC cards, ID camera, and a Mac 300 YMCKO color ribbon. Therefore, your printer will be ready to use right after you open it. You will also find the Magikart 300 printer pretty easy to use, and you will be able to print out ID cards within a couple of minutes. There are pre-made templates and drag-and-drop functionality available with the Bono software, which makes the printer the best option, even for a beginner. Since it is also a premium ID card printer, you will get a 3-year-long warranty period on this unit. Number 4. You'll be able to enjoy a convenient, portable printer when you choose this model. It can go just about anywhere with you and is small enough to fit into luggage or a large purse. This portability makes it perfect for photographers who need results on the go. Unfortunately, this is a relatively small model that might not be able to fulfill your requirements. If you're looking for more oversized prints, this is not going to be the right fit for your needs. Since it uses thermal dye sublimation, you can count on this printer to always provide vivid color. The process means that ink penetrates deeply, allowing for better color replication. A final layer is applied that provides a protectant against scratching and fading in your prints. It also adds a little bit of waterproofing. The user-friendly design means that anybody will be able to use it with ease. It's also resistant to typical issues, like paper jams. Number 3. The A15000 is, without question, the best Epson ink printer for sublimation. This model comes with the renowned ink technology, allowing you to print all your sublimations with its easy-to-fill supersized ink tank. Many business owners specifically look for eco-tank models because of their unrivaled ink efficiency, which saves considerable money throughout the years. This model is also known as the best Epson ink printer for sublimation because of its performance-oriented design. The patented precision core heat-free technology and its auto two-sided printing design provide more output than most laser models. The best Epson ink printer for sublimation also features a 250-sheet front tray paper capacity and rear specialty paper feed, plus a 2.7-color touchscreen and hands-free voice-activated printing. The model has excellent connectivity options, with network-free printing options you can use from your iPad, iPhone, or Android device. The A15000 is the best Epson ink printer for sublimation because it requires no third-party tampering that would otherwise void your 2-year warranty. It's, without question, an excellent option for small and large businesses that wish to create flawless sublimations. Number 2. Sawgrass is also a well-known brand when it comes to special-purpose printers and accessories. Here, we have a great sublimation printer coming from Sawgrass on our list. The Sawgrass SG500 might just be the perfect product you need to start your own sublimation printing business. It is comparatively cheaper than other professional printers, and still offers many desirable features suitable for similar applications. The Sawgrass SG500 works with the Sawgrass Print Manager as well as Creative Studio online designer apps to let you create and manage your printing documents with ease. The Sawgrass SG500 also ensures the lowest per image cost compared to the image quality you will get. You will be able to print up to 51 inches long with this printer, which is outstanding considering its compact size. Just like other Sawgrass printers, The Sawgrass SG500 also has an automated maintenance cycle to keep the unit in the right shape. You will get a 2-year warranty period on the Sawgrass SG500 printer, which is great at this price point. Number 1. Epson Workforce WF7720 is one of the heaviest sublimation printers that we laid our hands on, weighing about 48.9 pounds with all the trays and accessories attached. You also need to have larger shelf space to accommodate the printer, as it has a larger footprint with 16.5 inches by 22.3 inches by 17.8 inches. Speaking of the build quality in general, it is one of the toughest printers in the market, with the entire body being built with hard plastic. On the durability note, it has a large duty cycle that promises years of heavy usage. As the device supports wide format printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches, the front part of the device also feels wider than most printers in the market. To the front bottom of the printer, 2 paper trays feel sturdy yet handy. The top paper tray has an adjustment mechanism to switch between normal and wide format media. All of these trays can together hold up to 500 sheets of paper. The front side of the device also holds a control panel with a 4.3 inches touchscreen display, which is large enough to comfortably read the text. Besides the touch functionality, Epson also incorporated a few physical function keys right next to the display that lets you instantly switch between different modes. The buttons are very tactile and are comfortable to press. One can easily adjust the viewing angles by tilting the display up and down. All in all, the touchscreen display is a decent addition to boost the overall usability of the device. Setting the device up and running is a cakewalk with the aid of the on-screen guide. All you gotta do is to connect the device to your computer using the provided cable if you chose a wired setup. Or, even better, enter your Wi-Fi credentials asked during the setup to get it connected to your home network. After the initial setup, you can tinker with different setting preferences from the mobile application provided. Once you are done connecting to your printer, it is time to place the provided ink cartridges in their place. Lift the top lid of the printer. To the right bottom you will find different cartridge slots with labels on them. Place the cartridges carefully as shown on the label and close the lid. Your printer should auto-detect the cartridges to get ready for the first print. In the next step, you are asked to choose a paper source. Choose the one according to your preference and click on the OK option. Before selecting the source, make sure to place a few papers into the trays. The Epson Workforce WF7720 isn't the fastest printer out there, but isn't also the worst that we have tested. It offers fairly moderate speeds, with the black-only text document being printed at 8 ppm, while the colored document took about 6 ppm. The photo print, on the other hand, took about 59 seconds, which is subpar compared to most other printers in the market. It took about 13.6 seconds to output the first print, black-only. Speaking of the overall photo quality on the Epson Workforce WF7720, the device offers vibrant colors and a decent dynamic range. However, there is a bit of graininess and bending observed in different parts of the image. Overall, the photo quality is good. The Epson Workforce WF7720 supports automatic two-sided print copy scan fax. It has a flatbed and sheet-fed scanner that offers scans up to a resolution of 1200 dpi and has a 24-bit color depth. The scanner also supports duplex scanning and has built-in automatic document feeder functionality, if that is what you are looking for. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.